Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. And in this video I am going to let you know how to split screen, or you can see as how split screen works in Wondershare Filmora. So friends, I wanted to let you know that I have this interface of Filmora, and I am going to drag some files. First of all, without wasting any time, I have a cute cat video, cute dog video, and guitar video as well. These three videos I have now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a split screen effect now. So without wasting any time, I am going to add this first one, which is known as split screen effect. It is a very beautiful type of effect. You can split your screen, you can see as your video into parts, or you can say as two sections as well. Without wasting time, I am going to drag this. Okay, firstly I am going to delete these layers, because in last video I showed you how you can apply effects on your videos, and now I am going to let you know how you can apply split effect on your videos, or you can say split screen effect in your videos. These are two videos. First of all, this is a cat video. Drag it here and just drop it, and the second one is dog's video. You can see, friends, now I'm going to apply split effect on these videos. So, or you can do one more thing. Sorry. So let's suppose I wanted to apply this effect now. What will I do? I will just double click on this video, and I will crop it according to my according to my custom dimension, so that it will be in a perfect dimension for my video, and I will not lose its better quality. Let's play how it looks like. I think it's damn beautiful. Okay, put it here and add it to this side. You can do this. Oh man. Okay, done. Second one, sorry, this is the first one, and here is the second one. Second one will work like this, man. I will drop it on the upper side of the video, and I will drag it here. So friends, now what I'm going to do, I am going to crop this one according to my perfect dimension, so that it will be look quite charming type of it will present a charming sight, you can say. Yes, so I will put it on this side of my video, and you can see. Okay man, let me do, and let me drag. Looking perfect, man. All right, you can see my video has been successfully separated into two parts, and I can add anything what I want, and now video is looking quite beautiful. So friends, now what I'm going to do, let's suppose I want to add some text. I want to add, let's suppose, what will I do, I will drag these two texts here, and I will name it as my sorry man, sorry, I made some mistake. Let me do again. My beautiful dog, and I will put it here, man, so that it will look perfect. In the second section, what will I type? My beautiful cat. Sorry, let me do again. cat. Let me do. Okay, looking perfect, man. I will drop it here, and I wanted to make it to some sharp color with some shadow, black shadow. You can see it done. My work is done. I need nothing to do. Just end this video here, and let me show you how it will work. Okay, now my video will play like this. My beautiful dog, my beautiful cat. So I think you got some idea how you can do this. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.